Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're discussing a critical topic, and that is what you need to know before hiring a tree care company to remove a tree from your yard. So if you have a tree that needs to go, this is the video for you. Stay tuned. Before we get started, I need you to do three things for me. Number one, drop down below, hit that subscribe button. Number two, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. And number three, so you'll be notified of all the future videos that I post, hit that post notification bell. Those three things help my channel grow tremendously, and I do thank you. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, your tree care company must be fully licensed and insured. This includes general liability insurance, protecting your property in case of damage, and more importantly, workers' compensation insurance. It's important to remember that tree care work involves risk. Despite all safety measures, accidents can happen. If a worker gets injured on your property and the company doesn't have workers' compensation, you, the property owner, could be held liable for the worker's injuries. Workers' compensation insurance is a safety net for workers and also protects you from potential financial risk. Always ask to see the proof of this insurance and don't hesitate to verify it with the insurance company. Next, check for professional certifications. The International Society of Arboriculture, or known as the ISA, is one well-respected body. But also look for adherence to the ANSI A300 standards, which are the generally accepted industry standards for tree care practices. These certifications and standards help ensure the company you're considering has proven knowledge and expertise in their field. The third point is experience. Experience is an essential factor to consider when hiring a tree care company. An experienced company has dealt with a range of tree-related issues, so they're well equipped to handle any situation that might arise in your yard. Make sure to ask about their history, especially if you have a complex tree removal situation, such as a tree close to your home or utility lines. Number four is safety equipment. Safe tree care practices are vital in this industry. You should ensure that the company uses appropriate safety gear, including helmets, protective glasses, safety boots, and harnesses. These pieces of equipment reduce the risk of injury and show that the company takes the safety of its workers and your property seriously. Number five, services offered. The range of services offered by the company is another factor to consider. Ideally, the company should provide comprehensive tree care services. This includes the actual tree removal, stump grinding, and debris cleanup. It's not just about removing the tree, but also ensuring that your property is clean and safe afterwards. Number six, estimates. It is crucial to get a written estimate before agreeing to anything. This should detail the costs associated with the removal and any additional services like stump grinding or debris cleanup. Beware of quotes that are significantly lower than others. It could be a red flag indicating a lack of experience or inadequate equipment. Number seven, check their references. Before hiring a tree care company, take some time to research its reputation, check out online reviews, and ask the company for references. This will give you a better idea of what to expect in terms of service quality and customer satisfaction. Number eight, scheduling. Scheduling is another important factor. Tree removal can be disruptive, so it's important that the company can accommodate your preferred timeline. A company that offers flexible scheduling shows that they respect your time and convenience. Number nine, environmentally conscious and knowledgeable. An environmentally conscious and knowledgeable company is key. This doesn't only mean recycling waste and properly disposing of debris. This also speaks in their expertise in minimizing impact on your property and surrounding trees during the removal process. For instance, an educated company understands how to work within a landscape to ensure minimal impact on neighboring trees and plants. They know how to maneuver heavy equipment and cut down trees in a way that doesn't damage your other greenery. This demonstrates a respect not only for your property, but also the overall ecosystem. After all, tree care isn't just about removal, it's also about preservation and respect for the environment. So look for a company that embodies these principles in their work. Number 10, and last but certainly not least, communication. Finally, pay attention to the company's communication. They should be responsive to your questions and concerns and be willing to keep you updated throughout the process. Good communication is a sign of a professional and customer oriented company. So, in conclusion, everybody, hiring a tree care company involves a lot more than just getting the cheapest quote. It's about safety, expertise, and respect for your property and the environment. And remember, I'm here to help you navigate this process. If you have more questions or need advice specific to your situation, consider signing up for a channel membership. Our members get exclusive access to our private Discord chat where you can ask your questions and get direct answers. Join our community, get the support you need, and let's keep our yards safe and beautiful together. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.